Next, to share a few words to us this morning, we are honored to have with us a very special guest. A woman who has always been an advocate for social causes and an inspiration to many, especially the youth. She is not only known for her incredible journey as a beauty queen, but also for her continuous efforts to raise awareness on various important issues, including HIV and AIDS, mental health, and youth empowerment. Let us all welcome the ambassador of Love Yourself and Miss Universe 2015, the beautiful and inspiring Miss Pia Alonso Wurzbach Johnson.
Hi, thank you. I'm so happy that we're finally here today. Okay. So. Thank you so much, everybody, for being here today. I'd like to first acknowledge the presence, of course, the City of Mayor of Taguig, Honorable Mayor Lani Cayetano, Vice Mayor of Taguig, Honorable Arvin Ian Alit, 1st District Congressman of Taguig and Pateros, Honorable Ricardo Cruz Jr., Founder and Executive Director of Love Yourself, Dr. Ronivin Pagtakhan, SK Federation President, Honorable Joanna Pagkalinawan, and Local Youth Development Office Head, Attorney Aldrin Nexel Sinwes. Maraming salamat. All our esteemed guests, allies, and friends na nandito ngayong umaga, maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo dito. I'm so happy that all of you are here today. Maraming salamat. First and foremost, and of course, andito rin ang Love Yourself in the City of Taguig, LGU. Mga 5 months na yung nakakalipas simula nung Love Gala, kung kailan natin unang ikinuwento itong pangarap at vision naming lahat na sana magkatotoo. And naalala ko pa yung excitement, yung passion, yung kilig, at yung talagang yung excitement naming lahat na mabuo na to. Talagang nakita ko rin kung paano pinagtrabahuhan to with blood, sweat, and tears ng mga naging volunteers natin, ng mga Love Yourself advocates natin, pati na rin ng City of Taguig staff who made that event possible and also today possible. So thank you so much. The Love Gala, you know, it was more than just a celebration. It was a fundraising initiative to support the causes of Love Yourself and the community. At ang nangyari naman doon na naging focus doon ay yung mga Miss Universe memorabilia na auction ko. At yung mga proceeds naman doon ay talagang pinlano na namin na para ilaan dito sa youth center. It's an establishment. It's a safe space where the youth can access comprehensive health services and programs that empower them to live with pride and purpose. So, nung una ko itong pinaplano, habang pinag-iisipan ko siyang gawin, kung paano ko ba siya mabubuo, 2 tao yung una kong nilapitan. Unang-una doon, walang kausap ko dito sa idea na to ay si Yusek P.Y. Kaunan. Siya ang nagbigay sa akin ng idea na bakit hindi ka mag-auction off ng memorabilia mo. Sabi ko naman, ano naman gagawin ko dun sa pera? Sabi niya, mag-isip ka ng project. So, naisip ko tong project na to at ang una kong nilapitan ay si Doc Vin. Sabi ko, Doc Vin, alam kong medyo iba to sa pangkaraniwang nakasanayan na natin gawin ng mga project at events, pero kaya ba? Posible kaya to? Ganyan? At ang dapat na 10-minute call yata ay naging 1 oras na brainstorming. Ang saya. At within less than a week, nabuo na namin siya. At nabigyan kami ng oras ni Mayor Lani para makipag-meeting sa kanya at i-propose sa kanya ang aming idea. Dahil bakit pa ba kami lalayo? Dahil mga nasa Taguig naman kami at malapit din kami sa City of Taguig. In fact, marami na po akong mga ginawang mga advocacy projects with Taguig in relation to mental health and HIV. At maraming salamat din po sa pag-imbita nyo sa akin palagi. Thank you. So throughout the years, nakakatrabaho ko sa kanila. So sabi ko, sige, dun tayo. And natuwa naman ako dahil instant yes. ang na-receive namin sa kanya. At syempre, doon na nagsimula ang aming planning process. Dahil hindi na rin naman po biro itong project na to. Lalo na gusto namin galingan talaga. So, maraming salamat dun sa tiwala na yon. Maraming salamat na nagtiwala kayo sa amin at na nakuha namin yung 100% na suporta nyo. Thank you so much. Bukod naman doon, gusto ko rin i-acknowledge yung youth arm ng Love Yourself na Fruity. It's a vibrant group of young advocates committed to building new leaders, sustaining our initiatives, and offering fresh perspectives in tackling the challenges that will lie ahead. Kasi po, tulad ng napag-usapan niya namin ni Doc Pin, kasi yung youth, sila talaga yung susunod na magdadala ng mga sinisimulan na natin ngayon na project. Kasi hindi naman natin to kaya na tayo lang at syempre ang pinaka-apektado dito ay sila. So talagang kailangan natin na to get them involved and siguro yung youth arm ng Love Yourself, which is Fruity, umaasa din kami na unti-unti namin sila may empower at matitrain para sila naman yung tuturo sa next generation at sila naman yung maging mga ate at kuya nila. Dahil kami na yung mga ate at kuya nila. Gusto ko sana sabihin tita, pero wag naman. Pero, so, kasama din po sila dito. So, gusto ko rin silang pasalamatan. This dream would not have been possible with the support of the City of Taguig LGU, especially under the leadership of Mayor Lani Cayetano. Together, we held countless meetings and in-depth discussions on how to build and operate a youth center that will truly serve its purpose. And all of that hard work has brought us here today. So, I'm beyond grateful for everyone who helped out the many weeks and days na may mga nagpuyat at talagang hindi bumitaw sa project na to. Maraming salamat. May the Youth Center continue to be a beacon of hope, healing, and growth for the youth and our communities. I'm so excited for you guys to come in and see it. In the next couple of weeks, we will keep building and improving it. So hindi gaganda pa po ito as we go along, as we continue, introducing more people in and mag-adjust pa po itong space na to. But you can, makakaasa po kayo na andito kami and we will be here. Hindi po to na parang andito lang kami ngayon at hindi nyo na kami makikita ulit. Magsasawa po kayo sa amin. Maraming mga events po kaming gagawin dito. Maraming salamat. So, welcome everyone and with all my heart, I say, Hiraya Manawari. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Pia Alonso Wurzbach Johnson, for your inspiring words and being a true advocate for the youth and important causes. And also, we are very blessed to have your team to choose Taguig for this kind of project.